Meet Turkish Roketsan Teber Laser Guidance Kit. It is designed for use on Mk-81 and Mk-82 general-purpose bombs. It converts these bombs into precision smart weapons using INS, GPS and semi-active laser seeker. An add-on semi-active laser seeker, mounted on the front section, provides a precise hit capability against moving targets. The laser seeker may be equipped with a proximity sensor. The device can successfully hit a target at a range of 28 kilometers, released at an altitude of 12 kilometers. It is 2.6 meters long and weighs 270 kilograms.